There is a lot of confusion on the internet right now. AI is everywhere. You open YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and everyone is talking about AI tools, AI agencies, AI software, AI startups. It all sounds amazing, but if you are a normal person, you have a job, bills to pay, maybe a family, and you are thinking, I know AI is the trend, but where is the money actually being made? And how does any of this help someone like me? By the end of this video, you will understand the best way for you to start making money with AI. For beginners to start making money with AI as quickly as possible, we have to understand this first. Where is the money already being made? And why is it suddenly easier for regular people to get access to it? Because real opportunities don't come from guessing. They come from stepping into things that already work, especially when the barrier to entry drops. Now, before AI even enters the picture, we need to slow down and talk about something very basic. What is a digital product? I'm going to keep this very simple. A digital product is something you buy online that helps you solve a problem. But instead of receiving a physical product in the mail, you access it on your phone or your computer. For example, a digital product could be a course, a short training, a guide, a checklist, a template, or a step-by-step program. So when someone buys a digital product, they are buying clarity. They are buying a shortcut past confusion. For example, if you wanted to lose weight, you could spend months watching random videos and trying different things. Or you could buy one simple training program that tells you exactly what to eat and what workouts to follow. That program is a digital product. If you wanted to learn a skill for work, you could piece it together for years. Or you could buy one training that lays it out step by step. That's a digital product too. Now, here's where this becomes important. A digital product business works very differently from a business that sells physical products. If you sell physical products, every sale usually means more inventory, more packaging, more shipping, more manufacturing costs. You are constantly dealing with logistics. But with digital products, once you create it, there's nothing to pack and ship physically. The delivery is done through an automated email. There's no inventory to host, so you don't have any warehouse cost. You can sell the same digital product again and again without recreating it every single time. A simple way to think about it is this: a job or service business is like getting paid only when you are standing at the register, because you have to trade your time to provide a service in exchange for money. A digital product business is like setting up a vending machine. You do the work once to set it up, and then it can keep selling whether you are there or not. Now, this is important. People have been buying digital products for years, even before AI is here. Why? Because people will always pay to save time, reduce confusion, solve problems. That's human nature. And that's why the online education market is already massive. Courses, training programs, guides, templates, and software make up a global industry worth hundreds of billions of dollars. That money was already there. So here's the real question. If this market has existed for so long, why didn't more regular people break into it earlier? And the answer is simple. It used to be hard. Before AI, creating and selling a digital product usually meant you had to do everything yourself. You had to figure out what to create, how to explain it clearly, how to create content that actually made sense, how to market it without sounding awkward or salesy. Most people didn't fail because they weren't capable. They failed because the process felt overwhelming before they ever made a dollar online. This is where AI actually changes the game. AI removes the biggest bottleneck between you and your first sale. Before AI, most beginners got stuck staring at a blank screen. What do I say? How do I explain this? How do I create something people understand? With AI, you are not starting from zero anymore. You can take a rough idea and turn it into something clear and sellable. You can explain things in a simple way without being a copywriter. You can create posts, messages, and videos that help people understand what you are offering without even showing your face. That's the real leverage. Now, when people hear make money with AI, they usually think there are only a few paths. And I'll break them all down for you. One path is AI agencies. That means selling services to clients. You can make money doing that, but it usually means taking sales calls, meeting project deadlines, countless revisions back and forth, and constant client management. If you stop working, the income slows down. So your income is still capped by your time. Another path is AI software. Huge upside, but also huge difficulty. Building software, fixing bugs, managing users, handling support. That's not realistic for most beginners. Now, compare that to digital products. With digital products, you build once, the product explains the value for you. And because your manufacturing costs are low, you keep most of what you earn. This is why digital products are one of the smartest ways for regular people to break their income ceiling. Now, here's something most people don't realize. As a complete beginner who wants to get to that money fast, you don't even need your own digital product to start. Most beginners think, I can't do this because I don't have a product. But you can start by selling digital products that already exist and already sell. Think about it like a franchise. When someone opens a McDonald's, they don't invent burgers. They use something proven. Online is the same idea. You can make money much faster by leveraging other people's proven digital products. You start with what already works in the marketplace. You learn how selling works. You build confidence. Then later, if you want, you can create your own products. That lowers risk and speeds everything up. And this leads to the most important shift of all, your first win. The first sale doesn't just change your bank account, it changes how you see yourself because it proves this actually works. I'm not stuck at this income level anymore. I can actually do this. And once that belief changes, your actions change. So here's a real decision. A year from now, one of these two things will happen. You'll still be watching videos, saving posts, waiting for the perfect time. Or you have built something small but real, something that finally moves you forward. AI isn't replacing people, it's lowering the barrier. And digital product businesses aren't just another option. They are one of the most practical ways for regular people to break out of income ceilings that jobs and service work rarely allow. Now, if this is making sense and you want to see exactly how this works step by step, I put together a short training that breaks this entire framework down in a very practical way. No pressure, just clarity, so you can decide if this is the path you want to take. You can check it out down below when you are ready. Let's go.